This is a non-WordPress one-page website, and you can see this is very beautiful website, by the way. And I have cloned it into the WordPress one-page website. You can see this is exact clone of the website that I have done. And if you go into the Elementor, you can see this is the Elementor visual and the backend. And if you see the mobile responsiveness, this is 100% responsive for mobile as well, and everything is 100% responsive, as you can see. So I have cloned it without any third-party plugin. You just need to use the Elementor and Elementor Pro. So with these plugins, you can easily convert or clone this website into WordPress. So this tutorial is complete tutorial, step-by-step guide how you can clone any of the website or any of the page into WordPress or Elementor without any external plugin or without any additional plugin or without paying anything. Let me get started. First of all, we go into our pages and WordPress dashboard, and here I add a page where we are gonna clone this website. Okay, so we're gonna add a page. I just name it landing page. Okay, and click on publish, and this is the landing page. Okay, and I could just click on edit with Elementor. So this is the page where we're gonna add the design or clone this design. Okay, so here in the settings, you just need to make some of the settings here. So here, first of all, hide title, and also I will make it Elementor canvas, because this is will be empty page, because this is the one page website. So for the one page website, the canvas is best. Now I just click on plus icon, and here we're gonna add a container here. So this is the container, and if you click here on that, and in the style, if you see here, there is a background image with the girl. So I have already downloaded this image by this extension. So all these extensions are provided into the description, so you can easily use these extensions to download the assets as well as detect the fonts families. Okay, so let me go back into the topic. So here I just click on background and click on classic, and here I choose the image for the background. You can see I have already uploaded this image, so I select this image, and here I just make it center align, and display size should be cover. So this is cover now. Okay, now I just click on plus icon and add a container here. So in that container I will add two containers, and with one for the logo and the second for the menu. Okay, so here I just duplicate this container. So here you can see this is duplicated, and if you click on above this container, so make the direction to the horizontal. You can see these two containers are side by side right now. So I decrease the size of the container. So here I just click on plus icon and search for icon, because our logo is in SVG form. So that's why I selected the icon. I just click on upload SVG. So I have already downloaded this logo and uploaded into that library. So this is the logo. Okay, if you click on style and if you click on fit to screen, so you can see this is right now fit to screen. So here is the logo, as you can see here. Okay, you can also increase or decrease the size of the logo according to your needs. Okay, so for example, I decrease the size to this one, and here this is the logo. Okay, so if you increase the size here, okay, like that, and make it align left, so here the logo is added. And if you click on plus icon and search for menu here, so on the right side we're gonna add our WordPress menu. So here is the WordPress menu. I just drag and drop here. So this is the menu. You can see I have already created a menu for our navigation. So if you click on this plus icon and make it aligned end, so this is aligned end, and also in the pointer it should be none. I don't want to show the underlined text here. And if you click on style, and in the style, if you go back, you want to detect which font family they have used. So here I just click on this extension and click on any item. So here you can see I can see this font family they have used. Okay, so I go back and here I just click on this pencil icon and click on the font family, and here I can just search for the font family that is being used here. So here also click on this icon and make font color I have changed. And if you click on hover color, so I just change the hover color to this, okay, and here, okay. So this is the hover color, so I just wanna make changes here, and here is the hover color. Okay, so this is the hover color I have changed, and if you click on this and further changes that you want to make, you can also do that. Okay, so if you click on content, you can see this is also in the end. So these two are perfectly done, and if you click on publish and wanna review this, and just click on this eye icon, and you can see these are done. So this is the logo and these are the menu. Now we go on the next step, and with that we just need to click here, and if you click on inspect and just want to see how it looks like on mobile, you can see this is mobile look. So I will go back and adjust it for the mobile look. I just click on this icon, and here you just need to make it like that, and here I just decrease this size, for example, into the percentage, and decrease to 47, and here I just wanna decrease this size to this size. And if you click on the menu, and if you see here, I should make it full width, and here I just wanna make the size of this container as well as to small. You can see this is small like that. And if you click here, I just want to make the hamburger drop down toggle color. So here I just want to make it white. So this is white now, and if you click on content, and it should be hamburger, you can see toggle align should be right. So you can see this is the right, and this is perfectly just like this. Okay, and if you just click here, you wanna increase the size of the toggle lines, you can also increase. So this is the toggle button. You can see you can increase this size, and border width, you can see you can also do that, and border radius as well as. So this is how. And if you click here, you can see these are looking. So this is perfectly done for the mobile. And if you click on landscapes, you can see you can also adjust. And if you click on content, so it should be only for mobile. So this is how you can fix for the landscape devices or tablet views. And this is the desktop. So this is done for all of the devices. You can say this is responsive. Now we go on the next step, which is this text. So this is actually an image they have used, but for me, I just want to recommend you to use the text always. Okay, so here I just click on pencil, this plus icon, and I just want to add a container below that. So I just click here, and I just want to duplicate that. So here this container is duplicated, so I will just remove that container and also remove that. So here this is the empty container, so I will just also remove that. So we have an empty container here, so I just drag and drop the heading here. So this is the empty heading. So this is the refresh your mind text. So I just add text here. Okay, so this is the text that we have added here. So now I want to add the handwriting text here. So font family, so here I just search for handwritten font family. So there are a lot of handwritten font families that you can use for you, for example this one. And if you go here, there are many other handwritten font families that you can use for you. Okay, so I want to use the font family which is fuzzy bubbles, which is looks like our font family that they have used. So here I just want to increase this size, for example this size. Okay, this is too much size, and here I just want to make it 500 because this is light. Okay, now I just click on the style again, and here I just want to change the color. You can see this is the color, and make it align center. And if you click on this container and also make it justify content into the middle, so you can see this is in the middle. And if you click on text talk, you can see this is text talk, and if you click on one, this is too huge, and you can just make it 0. And if you click on text shadow, you can also add the text shadow. Okay, so blind mode, you can see overlay, and if you don't want to use, you can just make it normal. Okay, so here if you see here, this text is just like curly, so I just click here and click on advanced, and here if you click on transform, and here you can see there is rotate, so I just click on rotate and make it like that. So you can also rotate your text. For example, I just have rotated just like that. Okay, so there you can see this text. Now if you click here on this container, click on advanced, and here I just add 70, margin top and bottom should also 70. So here I just add 170, and bottom I just add 90. You can see this is the difference, for example. Okay, so I just add 150 for the bottom. Okay, so this is you have added. So here I just duplicate again this container. So here I just want to add these two buttons. Okay, so here I just click on that, and for that I just remove the top padding. So here I just also remove or delete this text. Okay, now I just search for the buttons. You can see these are the button, so I just drag and drop one button, and here we just need to make possible designing for these buttons. Okay, so here I just click on this, and here first button is about us, so I just say about us. So this is the text. You can also add the text here or the link for the about us. And if you go here and deduct the fonts family, which font family they have used here, so I just click on this extension and let's see. So there they have Frutiger font family. So here I just go back and click on style, and here I just say Frutiger font family that they have used. So this is the font family I have chosen, and font size is 18, I think. And if you click on advanced or style, and here I just want to make the padding. You can see this is the padding. So left should be 35, right, sorry, 35, and right should be 35, top 17, and bottom should be 17. Okay, so this is the padding. You can also adjust. So their border radius I just make it 30. You can also make it I think this is 25. Okay, and if you see here, the about us is just like here I just wanna make some more changes here in the text. This is bold. Okay, so here and again, and here padding I just make it left padding should be increased, and right also should be increased. Okay, and here, sorry, this is the radius, so this is the padding, so I just make it 45 and 45, so just like that. And here if you see here, there is a border and empty background. So if you click here, just remove that background, and here border type should be solid and border should be 1. Okay, so you can see this is the border. And if you click on hover, so hover is a black text color and white background. So on the hover, text color should be black and the background should be white. So here if you hover here, this is like that. And if you just duplicate that and here is the buy now button. So here I just say buy now. Okay, so buy now, this is buy now. And if you click on style and if you click on background, so I just increase the transparency. So here is the buy now. Okay, now if you click on this text and make it transform, should be uppercase. Also here I just want to make transform as the uppercase, because on our reference website it is on uppercase. So this is how you can easily adjust. Okay, now if you click here, and I will just want to add a background overlay, because there is a background overlay, okay, somehow. So just click on background overlay, and here in the classic I just want to make the black background overlay, and you just need to decrease or increase the transparency, opacity you can do for your backgrounds. So I just make it 17.17. okay, so if you publish it and if you review the final result, you will be amazed, because you can see this is the headings, menus, and this is the your text that we have added, and this is the button, and this is the button. So this is amazingly done. And if you click on mobile view, so this refresh is too much. Okay, so if you click on that and pencil icon and click on content or style, sorry, and here in the style I just want to make it 35. You can see this is I think looking good. You can also increase or decrease the size according to your needs. So here is the padding top and bottom. So I just want to make the padding top should be 70 and bottom should be 30. I think it will be fine. Okay, so these are buttons. So if you want to make the buttons side by side, you can also do that. And here you can see this is also side by side, but if you decrease the size of the button, you can easily adjust side by side. So if you see here the paddings, so I just decrease the padding to 20, sorry, here here I just make it 15, sorry, 15. Okay, so this is the 15. Also make it 15 on this button. So let's see what happened. And here I just make it padding should be 15. So you can see these are 5 side by side now. And if you see here the font size, I just make it 16 or 15, so that's fine. Also for that I just make it 15. Okay, so these are now side by side. So these buttons are very fit on the screen, and this is looking very responsive. So this is how you can also adjust the responsiveness along with your desktop version. Okay, now this hero section is done. Now we go in the next section, which is this one, this section. This is also very easy. You can go here, click on this plus icon, and here I just add a container here, which is an empty container. Now we move to our next section. This is our next section, and here I add a container here. For example, I just click on this and add a container here. So in that container we need 2 containers basically. So here I will just add a new container, and here I will just duplicate that container as well. Now I will just copy that text and also detect which font family they are using. So here I see this is Frutiger font family they are using here. So first of all I make the background color as the black, and here I will just add a heading, drag and drop the heading here. So I will just copy the text here and make the styling here as I have detected the font size family. So here is the font family which they are using, and I'm using 55, or I think 50 will be okay for this. And font color is white. Okay, so I just decrease the size. So after decreasing the size, you can see this is now in 2 lines. Okay, and if you see here, we can also increase the font line height, for example. So I just make it and make it 1.1.2 or something. How? So 1.1 is okay. Okay, now if you see here, there's text inside this, which is, I think, Moloko they are writing. So I just copy that text as well, and try to copy the style of this as well. So I just make it 55. Okay, and here I just duplicate, because this is same thing. So I just duplicate, and here I just make it Moloko, and here I will just detect the font color. So I will just get the font color. So this is the basically font color. So I just make the font color here, this, and you can see this is the font color. Okay, in the advance, I will make it in the layout. I will make the position should be absolute. So you can see when we make the position absolute, it goes above. Okay, so here we will just make some how it should be in down. So here I will make it here, and here I just add somehow here. So you can see you can adjust the position. Now another thing you need to do is for our white text, and go to advanced and make the z index to 10 or 12. You can see the z index is 12 now. You can see this text is in the background right now. You can see the text with the black color is in the background of this text. Okay, so if you want to see the text, you can see this is this text, and if you want to adjust the position again, you can do that. Okay, so this is how you can do the positioning. Okay, now the next is, this is the image, and this is the text this is used in this image. Okay, so here we can add a container here for the image and text, and I just add another container so for this text. Okay, so here on the parent container, I make the direction should be like that. So now we have these two containers inside, one for image and text and one for this right text. Okay, so I will just decrease the size of this container, and also add the background color as white color, because we need the white color here. And here I just drag and drop an image here. So this is the image, and here I have already uploaded this image, so I will select this image. You can see this image is selected here. Now in that I will remove the padding. So the padding is 0 right now. Okay, so here I will just add another container inside. So here in this container we will add this text. So I just copy that text, and here we will add this text here. Now we need to detect the font family they are using. So I will just see which font family they are using. They are using SQR 720. Okay, so I will use this font family, and here just go here, and here I will just use the same font family, and font size is I think 21. Okay, and here you can select the font style. Okay, as well as if you see here, we just wanna detect the color. So this is the color, so I just copy the color for this text as well, and here we will paste here. So now another thing, this is line height, as we can change with our requirement. So I have made it 1.2. okay, so you can see this is 1.2. And if you see here, now there is a difference between that, so I will add some padding bottom. Sorry, we will readjust the padding. Okay, okay, and here we will add some margin. So margin bottom I add 10 or 15, it depends. Okay, now I will just go here on the top of this and I will add border radius, because we need a border radius around that. Okay, so I will add border radius to 30, I think. So you can see this is right now, but if you see for the image, the border radius is not changed. Okay, but here is the border radius, so don't worry, we can do that. Here I just click on style and here is the border radius. So border radius top should be 30 and right should be 30. So now you can see both border radius are changed. And here if you see here, we can add also add the left margin, because here is the margin on the left. Okay, so margin left and right. So there, this is okay for now, this is looking good. Now we add this text here, so I just copy this text and here I will just drag and drop text editor here and also paste the text here. Now we detect the font size and the font family for this as well. So this is cockroach and 18 pixel. So here we make it white, and here we try to see if this font is available or not. So this is available. Okay, and this is actually 21. Okay, I make it 18 or 19. Okay, and if you see here, there are two paragraphs, so I will also make a paragraph here. So this is two paragraphs right now. Now if we click here and here in the style, in the layout, we make the decoration, alignment of the text into the middle of the container. So this is it right now, justify content is in middle, so this is in middle. So now you can see this is also cloned. Okay, so this section is also cloned successfully. Now if you want to add some more things here, for example the paddings, so we can also add here. So here I just add padding, top should be 13 and bottom should be also about 17. So this is like that. Okay, so I make more padding here. So this is how. Now we go here and you can see this is another section. We wanna copy this section, so I just click on that and here I add a container, as we can also duplicate this container. Okay, so it depends upon you. Okay, now we need 4 sections, but on the mobile these sections slides. Okay, so this is very easy as well as, so I just duplicate this container and you can see we have now the container as well. So I just delete that, and here we also delete the text that is in the background of this text. Okay, so we just wanna delete this text. Okay, so I will just delete here because they are same fonts and same families, so that's why I just don't want to make more efforts. Okay, so here is now I just click here plus icon, and here I just want to add some. So here you can see there is a carousel widget, so I just drag and drop, and we want a carousel of these items. Okay, so these are 4 items, but on mobile it is in carousel mode, so that's why I am using that. So here I just click here and add a container here. So there is basically a container. So inside this container we need an image. So I'll just search for an image here, drag and drop here. So here I will just add this image, for example, and here this is the you know text of this product. So I will just go here and inspect it to copy this text, because I'm too lazy to copy the things. Okay, so here is the text, that is h4. So I think this is the text. I just copy that, and here I just paste this text. Okay, and next text is, I think, this is, and this is, I think, the text for the description of the product. Okay, now I just click here and also search for the text editor and paste this text. Okay, now if you click here and click on style, and here I will add background white. Okay, as well as if you click on layout, and the border radius should be, I think this is 30. Okay, so this is 30. Now this is 30, and if you see here, this is the color difference and the font family. Okay, now we detect which font family they are using. They are using Frutiger and 18 pixel, and this is black. Okay, so I would just like to use this same font family, and here is the Frutiger font family, and I just make it black, and it's 18 pixel. Okay, so this is 18, sorry, this is font size. Okay, so this is 18 pixel. Okay, so we have the text here and the font for this. Okay, so if you see here, there is a difference. So I just click here on that, and here in the layout you just need to make this 0. Okay, so now you can see this is too closer. Okay, that's what we need. Okay, and if you click here, we just see the font size is too little for that, and here we detect which font size they are using. So this is basically 12 pixel. So I just click on style and make it 13 pixel almost. Okay, and here I just click on that, and if you see here, they are using padding top and bottom. So I just click on that, and here I just make padding left should be 20, right should be 20, bottom should be 50 as well, is more, and 30 I think will be good, or 25. Okay, so this is right now, and if you click here and carousel, make it another item, and here slide to show 4, because we have 4 here. Okay, so these are 4 slides, and if you see here, this is too long and this is too short. Okay, so to make this layout good, we add more padding on top and bottom. So top padding should be, I think, 30, and the bottom should also be 35 or 55. Okay, so this is one container. So if you click here, and in the slides, and I just remove all of these and make the duplication of these all. Okay, so this is 4 slides, and if you click on mobile version, so there you can see one slide, and the others can be slide. Okay, so this is how you can add the media carousel. Okay, now we want to add a button here. So this is also very easy to add a button here. Okay, so here I just click on plus icon and search for the button. Okay, so this is the button basically, and I just add the button below that. Okay, so below that we're gonna add a button. So here I just search for a button. Okay, so I will just duplicate that container, and here we add a button here. So I just delete that because we don't need that, and here I search for the button. Okay, so this is the button. Basically we can also copy this button, okay, because we have used here. So I'm going to use this button, so I just copy that and paste here because we're gonna use this. And this is the buy now, and this is also the buy now, but this is too closer, so I will just make it more closer to this. So I just remove the paddings here, and here I just wanna add some padding on the left and make it margin. Top should be 20 but in minus. Okay, so this is like now too closer. You can also adjust according to your needs. Okay, now this is the next section. In the next section there is a background video and 3 text here. So this is also very easy. Okay, I just click here on this plus icon, click on the container. So this is the blank container. So here I just click on inspect and detect the video they are using here in the background. So I will just try to find out which video they are using in the background. Here is a video link they are using, so I just copy that and click on that, click on style, and here you can see this is the video, and here I will just add the video link. You can see this amazing lady is coming in the background. Okay, now play on mobile, just turn it on because we are also going to play on mobile. Click on layout, and here minimum height I just make it 600. I think 600 will be fine for this because it's cutting the edge. So this is 660 56. Okay, so that's good for this. You can also decrease to 600, I think. So this is okay, I think. So now we're gonna add these 3 text here, because these are 3 text here. Okay, this is also very simple. Just click on this plus icon, add a container here. Okay, and also click on that and make the text justify content in the center. So this container is right now in the center. Okay, so now I just click on duplicate. Okay, this is the duplication of these containers. So these are 3 containers. I just click on again here and make the direction to the left. You can see these are like that. Okay, now we wanna add these text here, so just copy that text, and here I just add the headings here and paste the text here. So this is no fear official, something like that. And we're gonna detect the font size and font family. This is SQR and 40 pixel. Okay, so here I just click on style, and this is SQR, and the font size is 40 pixel. Okay, also this is 400. Also this is align center and make it white. You can see this is white. Now another thing, we're gonna add some line height here. So in the line height we're gonna add 1.3, I think. Okay, again click on this and make the content into the center. You can see this is now in the center. Just duplicate that again on the next and make it 100% like that. And here you can see, also click here and make the center here. You can see, also duplicate that, and here I just drag and drop here, and also copy this text and paste here. Okay, so this is now the third one, and make it align center and in the justify content we wanna make it center. Okay, so these three texts are coming here, but this is in 3 lines, so don't worry. If you decrease the size, you can see this is in 3 lines, and if you click here and also make the justify content into the center, so this is right now in the center. Okay, now this is perfectly cloned this section, and I just save the data that we can not lose our data. Okay, so you can see these 4 sections are successfully cloned and easily cloned. Now we go on the next section. This is our next section here. So first of all, we add a container here. This is the container, and we add the background, which is black, and here is text here. So I will add container here, and we'll add 2 containers, and one for text and other for this. Okay, so I just copy this text. Okay, and copy this text, as well as we detect the font family here. So this is SQR family. Okay, so here we will add the heading here. So I will just paste the heading, and in the style we change to the SQR family. Okay, this is the font family. This is the font family they have used, and the font color, I think this is white. Okay, so this is how. Now if you see the size, I think this is 40 or 40 plus. This is 40. Okay, so we make it 40. Okay, sorry, here we make it 40 pixels. 40 pixels, so this is 40 pixels right now. Now if you see here, there we have 3 columns, one column for this, one for this, and one for this. Okay, so basically we have there 2 columns. Okay, so this is the container, and inside this container we're gonna create these. Okay, so here we'll add a container here and duplicate this container, and basically we will have 2 containers. Okay, so inside that we are gonna design this. Okay, for left side we need these 2 containers. Okay, so here I add a container inside that and duplicate that, and as well as we make this row horizontally aligned. So these are 2 columns, and this is for 1. Okay, now I will explain you everything, and you will easily understand. Okay, now this is our image, and this is the text here. So here I will add a text. For example, this is heading, and here I will add number 1. For example, this is the number 1, and if you detect if you detect the font family for this one, for example, so let's see, this is cockroach and 120. So as well as we see the font color, so this is the font color. Okay, so here in this font family we change it to cockroach, this is, and we make it 120 pixel, and align it center, and also change the color. So you can see this is the color. Okay, now we can also align it left or make it center, it depends upon you. Now another text which we have, this is the text, for example, and we detect the font here. So this is basically Frutiger. So I just paste this font, and here we make the style. This is white, and this is Frutiger font family. So I have changed the font family, and also check the font size. I think this is 18 or 20. I think this is 18. Okay, so I make it font size 18. Okay, and make it align center. You can see this is right now in the align center. So if you click here inside this container, for example, here, and I will make the justify content should be center. So now it will be in the center. So here we make this as the position should be absolute. So you can see this is absolute, and we gonna make it into the center. So here this is center, and if you click on this container, and we make justify alignment, align items itself into center. So it will try to fix the issues, reduce your issues. Okay, now if you see, the one is on that and the process is on back of this. So here just click on advanced and make the z indexed to 12. So this is on top and this is on the back. Now this is how you can fix that. And if you decrease the size of this, you can also make it like that, and if you want to increase the size, you can also increase or decrease. So here if you click here, and here we gonna make it alignment into the center, and here we make it align right or left, and here you can adjust the alignment. So here you can see this is almost in center, so this is like that, you can fix that. Okay, so this is one, for example, and logo text is on that, and here we just need an image. So what we're gonna do here, I will reduce the size because there we need to have an image as well as this is looking too big. Okay, so here I will add an image here. So basically this is an image. So let's see, I have already uploaded this image, so this is the image. So now I will reduce the size of the image. So here and I will make it covers or fill or contain. Okay, so here this is, I think, the size of this. Okay, this is almost, and here if you click here and reduce the alignment of this, and let's see how it works for us. For example here, and I adjust the alignment. So now you can see this is almost in the center, and this is also looking fine. Okay, so now if you wanna add a border here, just like that, and here I just click on this top container and click on style, and here is the border, and border should be solid, and border width for the right, and here I will make it 18. So this is, you can see this is 18 pixel or 20 pixel or 15 pixel, like that. So this is 15 pixel border. Circle icon here, so here I will just add an icon here. So I will just drop an icon here, and also may select an icon as circle icon. Okay, so this is basically for the design purpose. So this is not exact icon that I could find, but this is okay. So I make it align right, and here I have make it align right, and there I just click on advanced and alignment, and here just click on position and make it absolute and make it right, and here we just add here. Also you can control the size of these icon. So here is the icon size. For example, this is okay, and here we can adjust the size of this. Okay, for example, now this is okay. Okay, and now I will just copy that text, and here I will add a text here text container, and here I will add this text, for example. So this is how you can create one item here. And if you see here the font size, font family, I have not changed it for now, but you can change it for later. And here if you click on the top container, you can also increase or decrease the size of the whole container. And also I just click on advanced and alignment, it should be in the center. Okay, so this is how you can adjust the things. Okay, and if you click on mobile view, you can also set the mobile view. For example, this is not adjustable into that. So if you click on this container here, minimum height, we set the minimum height for this. And if you click on this one icon, you can also adjust the alignment for the mobile, for example here. So here is the this icon. So if you wanna remove or remain this icon, you can also do that. But for now, if I click on responsive and hide on mobile and portrait, so you can also hide this icon. And if you click on this container and click on advanced style, and here on the border you can make it 0. So this is how you can fix the mobile issue. So this is how you can fix it on mobile. Okay, so we go back, and here I just duplicate that section because all these sections are same, just images are changed. So I just add duplication of these and here. So here if you see there is some spacing, so don't worry, just click on that, click on advanced, and here you just need to remove the padding. So here is the padding removal process. So this is removed, and this is also here. I just remove the padding here again, and here and on the second container I just want to make more changes here. And here I just clicked on the wrong container, and here is the main container, for example. And here I just click here, and padding top, I just add some paddings on the top. And here is the margin. So on the margin we just add some minus margin that it can be closer. Okay, now I just click on that margin, and margin top should be -20. So you can see this is now closer. So this is how you can close it. So I just duplicate that again, and here on the main container you can just duplicate all of the main containers. For example, here is the duplication of this. So this is how you can do that. Okay, now we add some padding here, so because their bottom and top they have paddings. So here I just add top padding 100 or 100, I think. So bottom should also be 100. These are not exact 100% paddings, that you can also adjust according to you. Okay, so here we go on the next section. This is follow us on social media, and here I just add a container here, and here I just add a black background. So I just add the text area here and here, and make it align center and make it white. So follow us on social media, for example. And there are 3 icons, social media icons. So I search for social media. Okay, so here social media icons, so you can see these are the social media icons. And here we just click on style, and here I just add a custom color. So here in the primary color I select our primary color, or you can also select as black. and this secondary color I just select the primary color. Okay, so here you can also make the padding 0, and size you can increase or decrease the size. Okay, space between, so you can also increase the space. So you can also change the icons according to you. For example, these are Instagram and so on, so you can also change the icons here. So this is how you can also do that. So there you can see these are gallery of the images. So here I just add 3 images. So you can also add another images if you want to add, but I just want to add some of for you, that you can also do that later. So that's why I just wanna make the video shorter. So this is 3 images, for example. So I add these 3 images, and here columns I just want to make the 3 columns here. Okay, so these are 3 images that I was have. Now if you see here, this is the section for the products layout, I think. So this is very easy. I just click on plus icon, and we have 2 columns because these are 2. Okay, now on the left column we have the image of the product, and on the right we have the text. This is very simple. If you click on this container, click on style, click on this, and here you can also add the back as the background. Okay, so here I just select this image and set as the background. Also for the background I just select Norby, display size should be cover. Okay, and this is okay. And here I just copy the name of this product, and okay, just copy that. And here I just add a heading, and here I just paste this heading. And if you detect the font family, so this is the Frutiger and 48 pixel. So here I just make it Frutiger and make it 48 pixel, for example. And here is the Frutiger, and this is 48 pixel. You can see this is 48 pixel, and this is the text here. And also see which font family they are using. For that they are using Cobros 18 pixel. Okay, so here I just add here I search for text area. For example, this is text editor, so I just copy, and here here I just copy this text and paste here. And to detect the font family, here this is Cockroach 18 pixel, and here I just make it Cockroach 80 pixel, and this is, and make it 80 pixel. Okay, now what we need to do is, this is very simple. What you need to do, you just need to go here and add some padding here, and because these have padding top and left, so here padding top should be 100, I think 100, and padding bottom should be 100. Sorry, here we're gonna add the padding. So here we just want to add some padding on the top, bottom, and left, right. So here is the 100 for the top, and bottom is also 100, and left should be 50 and right should be 50. Okay, so this is the padding. But if you see here, this is blurred, so now I will just delete that here and just click here and add it as an image, not as background. So here you have added it as the background. And if you click here, and I just want to make the alignment content into the center. This is center. And if you click here, I just want to add and make the alignment content into the center. Now if you see here, there is a background. So this is very simple. You just need to click on this pencil icon, and copy this and click on this and click on style and click on gradient, click on color. First should be this one, and the second color is this one. So I just click on this, and for this gradient I just copy this text and paste here on the right. Okay, so here the degree should be 90, so this is 90 degree. Okay, and if you click here and just want to change the font color to white, as well as for this and make it white. Okay, if you click here, you wanna see the full display, so this is like that. Okay, but this is in the full, don't worry. Here let's just open this and click on this, and content should be full width. Okay, also layout should be full width. Okay, so here is the full width content, and here column cap should be 0, and if you click here you can see this is full width. Okay, this is full width without any gap here. Okay, and if you see here there is a gap, white gap here, so I will just make the padding 0, so this is like that. And if you click on mobile version, you can also see the mobile version, but if you want to decrease this size, for example here I just want to make it more visible, and this is 26 and make it almost 15, so this is okay. And if you click on this, padding is too much, so padding left should be 20, right should be 20, top should be 60, bottom should be 60. Okay, so this is beautiful layout. So here I just go back and the desktop, and this is amazing look. So what I will do, I just duplicate and change the colors. For that I'm too lazy. So here this is the color now, and I will just swap the columns here, and then I will change the colors. Okay, so this here I just copy this, and this is the first color. Sorry, and just get the color. So this is the first color, so I just click on that, click on style, and here is the first color, and I'll just copy the second color. So this is the second color, so here I will just add the second color. Now you can see the color has been changed. So I will also change the images, for example here. So this is changed also. If you click on mobile version, so you can see this is gone above. So how you can fix that, you can just click on this, and here you can see in the mobile column direction should be reversed. So this is reversed. Now image is on top. Okay, now we go back on our desktop version again, and this is our third one. So that's ready for the third one. I just copy that, and here I just paste here because this is on the right. Okay, so now I will just change the colors. So simply I just detect the colors 1, and here I will just click on style, and in the gradient we'll change the color, as well as here I just copy this color and paste here as the second color. So this is okay. Now if I change the image, so you can change the image as well. Now you can see this section is amazingly copied without any error. So this is another text, and this is the testimonials. So this is very simple. I just click on this plus icon and add a container here. I think this is the same text as this one or this one, for example. So I will just copy this container, and here I just remove that, and here I will paste this container here, and here because we need this text in the background. Okay, so I will do that. Okay, so here I just remove that because we don't need that here. Delete, and here is the text. Here is the text, and I just cut this off. Now we'll just copy this text and paste here. Okay, so I will just click on that and make it 100%. I think the text is wrongly copied. I just click here and remove that, and sorry, the text is not clearly copied here. Okay, so here I just copy this text, whatever clients say, and this is how it looks like. And we just click on that, and here I just click on again this container here, and here is the text here, and this is the background text on that. So here is the text. It is, I think, testimonials. This text is testimonials. So I will just write this down here. So this is calling testimonials. Okay, so we just make it center, and if you want to close this like that, so I just make the text line should be center. So this is center. If you click here and make the alignment center, and if you want to make it like that, you can also put into the background like that. So you can also go here and you can change the position to like that. Okay, so here is the position. You can also change the text size as this one is. Okay, so here I just add another container inside that. I just duplicate that container. Okay, I'll just remove that from here, and here I just search for testimonials. So this is the testimonial cursor, and here you can see we have 3 testimonials in line. So these are 4. So I will just click on that slides per view, and it should be 3. So and slides to scroll, we can also adjust. So this is the testimonial section where you can also change your testimonial text. So I again fix the padding. So here I just click on that, click on padding, and padding top should be 130. So this is, I think, okay. And this is the context section, which is also very easy. I just click on that, click on again this area, and here we need this text to be copied, and here I just click on style, and here I just make it background black and paste this text, and this is contact. So I just make it contact, and here I just make the alignment of the contents should be central. So this is central. Now I just add a container here, and here in that container we need 4 containers for these details. So I just click on this and add a container inside, duplicate that, and duplicate that, we have 3, and duplicate that, we have now 4. So if you click here and click on direction, so these are 4 right now. Now we need the icon box here. So I just click on icon box. This is the icon box. Here this is the address. So here I just make the address, and icon, I think this is map icon. So here is the map, this is the pin of the map. Okay, and this is the text for address, for example. So I just paste here. Now how you can style it, just click on style, click on content, and the content should be white, and the description should be primary color. So this is how. it looks like. Okay, and just duplicate, drag and drop here, and this is I think phone, and here I just paste the phone and search for phone. Okay, so this is I think the phone icon, and I just copy that. You can increase or decrease the size of these icons, don't worry. I also increase or decrease so the size. Okay, so we just make it, 35. Okay, here I just also make it, icon size should be 35. Okay, so how you can fix that? This is how you can fix that. And if you click on content, you can also adjust the spacing, content spacing. So this is how you can also adjust that. Okay, so next is WhatsApp. So just copy that, duplicate that, and here search for the WhatsApp icon. So hey, search for WhatsApp here. This is the icon. I just insert that. This is how. Okay, this is email, and just duplicate that and drag and drop here and search for email or involved. So this is actually involved, so this is involved. So here I have added the involved here. So this is email, for example. I just copy the email here. So this is how you can adjust that. You can adjust the spacing also. So I just add the space in the bottom should be, sorry, this is left, bottom should be 80. So there we have added the spacing. Now the last part is the footer area, I think. So I just add a container here again, and in that container we need two containers inside. So I just click here, container, and duplicate that container. I just click on that and make it aligned like that. So there I just add a logo here, as well as make the background to the black. So this is black differently somehow. So I just add an icon here, because the logo is in our icon. So you can also copy this icon, because this is also the same icon that we have used. So I just paste that icon, and you can decrease this size, because this is how. Okay, here is the copyright text. So I just click here and drag and drop the text here and paste the text here, and also click on style and decrease the size. Okay, so this is the size, and this is the size for here. Now if you see here, this is the same menu here, just like that. So just copy that menu and paste here. Okay, so this is the menu, and if you see here, this is the social media icons. So I just copy these social media icons and paste here. Okay, but we make the alignment to the right. Also decrease the size, as well as make the white. Okay, and if you click here, we just want to reduce the column gap to 0. Okay, so just like that. Okay, you can also do that for you. Okay, so this is how you can easily manage and clone any page into the WordPress or Elementor Pro. You can see go throughout the video, this is 100% responsive, and I also did the responsiveness along with the other parts. So if you preview this on the desktop version, this is amazingly done, and this is looking very nice, as the page is. This is actually the original page, and this is the cloned page into the WordPress. So you cannot actually find the difference, but this is actually I have done. So this is how you can easily clone any page into the WordPress using Elementor Pro. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and you can contact me if you have any work related to cloning, or if you need to use the website for your business or for you. Thank you so much.